Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi and today we'll be showing you around this stunning Audi Q2 Sport 30 TFSI, finished in the brilliant black, shorter turn heads when on the road. At the time of this recording, this Petrol Manual has done 2,505 miles. Rolling on 17-inch alloy wheels with a 5 double spoke design, giving it that sporty edge whilst on the road. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate opens by a double click of a button, making loading and unloading a breeze. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the cloth upholstery and manual seating adjustments for added support on long journeys. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, with a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as DAB radio stations to sing along to, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. The MMI multimedia display, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection at the car's USB port. Maps, to help you easily find your desired destination. Media, to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio, having a range of DAB radio stations to choose from. And in the car menu, the Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Below, you have the manual air conditioning and never lose power and always stay up charged with the 12-volt and USB charging point, 2 handy cup holders for those longer journeys, finished with the all-important 6-manual gearbox. Here you can see a pad of controls to use on the MMI display for menu, back, control, sat-nav and radio. Finished with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to this car. If this is the one for you, call our team on 01782 488 205.